Okay.
That's it, I think.
Yeah, here are some details missing with the veins. Very nice. Yeah, just the main vein, a thicker one, in near the darker side of the stroke.
Oh, yeah.
That's the shady side. And then the secondary vein could be short lines, curved forward, the wrong direction. It's not like a feather, it's curved forward. Or you can just draw straight lines. That's if you don't know the direction. For now, just draw straight lines. Actually, they look like straight lines if you look at this line.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
No.
okay. No, yeah, that one is done. Just do other one. Do this one.
This one like this?
Either way, I think the dark one is on this side, although it's green. Yeah, just to.
And then this?
From inside out.
Inside out.
No, on top.
Like this?
Yeah, right.
Am I correct?
What I do is I do it from the front. So here is the front, and then I gradually increase the distance. So that means if I do it here, I do, and then just like that.
Yeah.
That's the right sequence, if you ask me.
I think I'm.
Yeah, you can go outside the stroke. It's okay to just just to do it arbitrarily. Sometimes you can redefine it.
Yeah.
Redefine the leaf. Here we have another one. Either way, it's fine. It's really redefining it. It's the opportunity to redefine it the right way you think, whichever you think it's proper. The original shape is just the base, color base. Now it's the definition of that. Yeah, a little bit missed. Okay, you done?
Yeah.
Okay. So you
Some
have
parts are interesting.
Signature.
This one with this one?
No signature. Huh? Oh, you want to sign, right? Okay. Just to use.
I can
this.
sign.
Okay. I'll give you some.
Thank you for the help.
No problem. That's why you're here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. If you want short these signatures on the bottom, yeah, the color fine. You can put the seal either on top or below. Yeah. Now you put it on top. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's your brush, and just put your seal. Let me show you how to do this correctly.
Yes.
You don't press like that. You just tap gently.
Okay.
Yeah. So you don't pour the fabric. And you can kind of use this to flatten it. You see how gentle I kind of when I pull a little horizontally, so it stays not up.
Okay.
Don't like stick and up. Yeah. So
I do everything that we should not do.
Okay, this is the correct direction.
This
and
way.
Then
This way.
You check the signature.
Like here, right?
Yeah.
Here, on the left.
On the left, yeah. And then I put some paper and then you see it. Okay, then you.
Here?
Yeah. And press. Also, the monkey facing you. See the face of the monkey is also an indication of the orientation facing you.
That's it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's the perfect one.
Okay.
Yeah. So you learned this already, huh?
Yeah.
Next time you should.
So many things I'm learning today.
Yeah, you see, I can make another one without re-inking because this hot moisture, moisture from my mouth help to melt it a little bit. Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah, because if you put it in warm area like sunshine, this don't directly under sun, but it will soften. In the summer it's softer, in
Yeah.
the winter it becomes harder.
What was this color? Lemon?
Lemon.
And
yeah.
this one?
Yeah, I got the lemon, and this one is more like a. I added a little warm color, whatever, reddish color in it.
It was really good, this one. I think it's very close to...
Oh, then you add a little, whatever, red.
yeah.
I think I added a little, just ochre. And this one is warmer too. This is a gambuche color. You need a lot of gambuche. Yeah. And this is a useful one. Oh, this one is orange. You can add this. This is orange color. It's already. I haven't opened it, but you can see that that's a warm color. It's like a.
Do I have this one in this color?
You don't have this ochre, but I do have it in tube. I can find it for you. Do you need gambuche? I think you have gambuche. So you don't need gambuche. You need yellow ochre. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let me turn off the video.
First
Thank
time.
you.